Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the new feature introduced in C# 11, which is UTF-8 suffix for strings. Come, let's get started. C# 11 introduces this U8 suffix. You can see here U8 suffix that allows you to specify this UTF-8 encoding for a string. Now, adding this U8 suffix, making the resulting string a read-only span of bytes. You can see this, the output of this, the moment you add this, will become a read-only span of bytes. Okay. Now, this contains the UTF-8 representation of a sequence of bytes. So you can easily convert this UTF-8 encoded string back to a regular string using just encoding.utf8.getString and pass the bytes that you already had it. So I'm going to run this application and show you how it works quickly. So here we go. If I run this, you see this was converted into the bytes, which is good. Now the same thing will be converted back and returned into the same hello world in UTF-8. So the next feature that we are going to see here is the Auto Default Struct. This is also introduced in C# 11, and let's take a look at how it is going to be helpful for us. The C# 11 ensures that all this field of a struct are initialized to their default values as part of the constructor execution. If you look at this, I have something called a to-do item which is marked as struct, and it has three properties: description, done, and a date type, which is a completed date. Okay, so basically .toString, I'm just overriding and printing what it is here. What it does is, I don't have any default values for this, right? So whenever this is initialized, what will happen is, all these things, if we don't have a default value, it will ensure that it has its default value based on its type. So let's quickly run this. You can see I'm initializing the to-do item here, and what happened? Automatically the default value, which is the empty space for the string, and then done is made as false because that's a boolean, and the daytime, the default value is initialized. You do not have any null or anything. That's the power of Auto Default Struct in C# 11. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video with next set of features of C# 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!